explained through the medium of dance and rap. Wouldn't it be great if we could clone ourselves? Well, the cells in our bodies do this all the time by a process called mitosis. It is one of the most basic and beautiful processes on the planet. It's just like a dance. So I've got the pupils here at Copthall School to show you how it works. So get settled and check out my mitosis rap.
The human body is made up of billions of cells. Each one has got a nucleus where DNA is held. The cells are quite diploid with 2 sets of chromosomes. 23 from your dad's, 23 from your mum's. Ignore the sex cells and soon you might notice every cell everywhere really came from mitosis.
Mitosis is a type of cell replication that enables cells to clone themselves. It's essential to growth and repair. It's a brilliant, simple cycle that is fundamental to life. When you see mitosis through a microscope, it looks a bit like a dance of the chromosomes. We're looking at a cell with only a few chromosome dancers. A human cell contains 23 pairs of chromosomes. The mitosis cycle starts with the chromosomes of the parent cell making identical copies of themselves, so that when the cell divides, there will be identical chromosomes in each dividing half. Then the doubled chromosomes line up along the central axis of the cell, and microtubules called spindle fibers pull them apart to opposite ends of the cell. Now each end of the cell has a full set of chromosomes around which a nucleus forms. Then the cell membrane pinches in between the 2 nuclei, dividing the original cell into 2 new daughter cells. The daughter cells are genetically identical to the parent cell. The parent cell has cloned itself, and the cycle begins again.
Can I have a parent cell, please? The human body is made up of billions of cells. Each one has got a nucleus where DNA is held. The cells are quite diploid with 2 sets of chromosomes. 23 from your dad's, 23 from your mum's. Ignore the sex cells and soon you might notice every cell everywhere really came from mitosis, the right process for new cell replication. So growth and repair are its main applications. Causes a division of a single parent cell becoming 2 identical copies. You call it daughter cells, but there's more to cell when looking at this dial operation. It's happened with no loss of the genetic information in relation to chromosomes. That's 23 pairs, hanging loose in the nucleus where they're prepared.
And now some alchemy is I turn copper into gold. Well, not exactly, but it's still impressive. It's electrolysis